Hello pumpkin people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristen and this is my channel Harvest and Holly, where we do fall, Halloween, and Christmas all year round. So if those are your favorite times of the year, this is the channel for you. I would love to have you subscribe and join all of us pumpkin people who just get excited for Halloween and fall the entire year. It's like all we think about, honestly. Today we are heading into a Homegoods / Marshall's combination store to see if they have any fall or Halloween. I'm really hoping for Halloween because I have not seen much yet. And yeah, I'm going to take you guys in there, show you what they have. Hopefully we will find some stuff. I am actually filming this intro early before I get there, and I'll also have to film the outro early. So by the end of this video, I won't actually know what we saw. Hopefully it's something good. But anyways, if you see like my sweatshirt change or my nails or anything, it's just because I'm filming this a few hours before I get there. So anyways, let's head in. So I was beyond excited to see this little section of fall and Halloween, and it was even more exciting when I realized that there is a full aisle of Halloween behind this. But I was seeing a lot of these glass pumpkins that are so pretty. They have these every year. They range from like $14.99 to $24.99, and they come in every single color, it seems like. They have all the different shapes, and yeah, these are really nice if you do kind of like a glam style or something a little bit more modern. I also saw this giant spider. Well, I shouldn't say it's giant, but it's pretty big. This is $24.99. It is tin, and I was looking to see if it would hang on a wall. I don't really see a hook to hang it, but it would be nice on a table. They also have a ton of these Martha Stewart wooden pumpkins in all sorts of different sizes. So I'm going to show you a few different ones, and they will come in a few different colors as well. So there are fall candles here at Homegoods, and if you guys have not already seen my fall 2022 Bath and Body Works video, I'll link it down below. There are fall candles there now as well. I'm also seeing a ton of this kind of felt Halloween decor stuff here at Homegoods. We've seen this for the past few years. I don't think it's going anywhere, at least not here at Homegoods, because like half of the things here are this felt style. And there are just a ton of these different ghosts. This one has a top hat. He's pretty cute. I actually used to have one of these, so I do like these. I just don't decorate with them anymore. Another thing I'm seeing a lot of already are the gnomes. So I don't decorate with gnomes, but I know a lot of people really like them. I think they're cute. It's not my personal style, but there are a ton, and I loved how this one came with a garland and the spider on his hat. Super cute. I don't think I've seen a set like this before. It was $20. I feel like that's a pretty good price because the garlands alone cost like $16 here. More of the Martha Stewart wooden pumpkins. They come in so many sizes. I love that there's a silver stem option and a brass stem option. I feel like those look really classy, and that's just me showing you. There's a whole nother aisle, so let's head over and take a peek. And I actually haven't seen a lot of Rae done yet. I don't know if it's been picked over because of the Rae Dunners or if it's just not out yet, but I did see that. And this gnome as well with the spiders on his hat. I think the spiders are a really cute touch on that. They also had a bunch of these tall kind of tin statue things. I don't know what to call these. They range in price from $30 to $50. They kind of are like bobbleheads. You can't really see the motion on camera that well, but a few different ones of these kind of bobble around, have a little bit of a movement to them when you touch them on purpose. It's not like they're poor quality or something like that, but they're really fun. I feel like these would be really cool on a porch. They're not super heavy though, so they could potentially blow away in the wind, but I'm not familiar with this brand. I almost feel like this might be a well-known brand or artist. Let me know if you guys are familiar. The pumpkin topiary here is my favorite. And then this one is super cute as well. You can see its head is moving. They also have some skeleton options. And I'm kind of struggling to get this on camera because they are on the larger size, but hopefully you guys can get the gist of what they look like. So they do have a pretty decent selection of fall and Halloween candles here. I actually have already purchased a fall candle for this year and I'll be hauling it soon, but that's why I did not go through and smell all of these. I was trying to be good and not tempt myself too much, but I loved the little cutout lid on this one for Halloween. I think it's so cute. I think we see maybe a witch version of this a little bit later on in the video. I did, however, smell this one. I just thought the packaging was so cute, perfect for Halloween. And this is a very classic spiced apple scent, which is absolutely perfect for fall. They also have a few different versions of these faux books that are fortune teller themed. These are just those cardboard boxes with the magnetic closure that look like a book. I like these to hide away remotes, especially during like fall and Christmas time when you have a bunch of those little remotes to turn on battery operated candles or twinkle lights. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I think I have at least like 10 to 15 different little remotes, and these are great to hide them away. how pretty is this clear glass pumpkin with the gold etching? This looks like it came straight out of an Anthropologie ad. It's only $17, which is a very fair price for something that looks so designer in my opinion. They also have a ton of these felt bead garlands in different variations of Halloween colors. Honestly, some of these feel redundant. There are just like so many options of kind of the same colors, but I guess the more options the better. I happen to like this black and orange one the best. Okay, so probably the weirdest thing I've ever seen is this pumpkin with the face and like the blonde eyebrows. It's very creepy. I guess that's the name of the game when it comes to Halloween decor. I just have never seen anything like that. They had a lot of different Halloween dish towels though. I haven't seen any fall ones yet, but just some really fun patterns. I find that the dish towels here at Homegoods are really good quality and a fair price, so I really like to pick them up here. And they even have this one that I'm going to show you here in a second that is glow in the dark. How cool is that? I have never seen a glow in the dark towel before. Another fun find is this Hocus Pocus mixing bowl. You guys have to let me know in the comments down below if you've seen the trailer for Hocus Pocus 2 and what you think of it. I am so beyond excited for it. My husband and I are actually visiting Salem this year. We're unfortunately not going in October, but we are going just a few weeks before the sequel releases. And I'm excited to see some of the filming locations from the original Hocus Pocus. I don't think the second one was actually filmed in Salem, but the first one is really what's so nostalgic, and I cannot wait to see the different places from the movie. So let me know down below if you've been to Salem, your favorite places there, recommendation for things to see, places to eat. We're so excited. But anyways, this is most of what I've seen at my Homegoods. I will be back to see what else they put out, so stay tuned for future videos. Make sure you have your bell notification turned on so you get notified when those videos go up. All right, you guys, so did we find any fall or Halloween? Let me know in the comments down below. I found dog hair all over my car, but I'm not sure if we found any pumpkins or anything like that. I think we probably did because I called ahead and they said they had a couple things, so I hope it was something good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for spending time with me, and I'll catch you in a future video. Bye now.